Hey everyone, imagine you're trying to shift gears using the manual mode in your automatic car, but nothing happens. The transmission stays in the same gear and suddenly, the check engine light pops up. You plug in your obd2 scanner and it shows P0826 up-down shift switch input circuit malfunction. This means your car's manual shift mode, also called Tiptronic or sport mode, isn't working correctly due to an issue with the shift switch circuit, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0826 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0826? The P0826 trouble code appears when the ECU detects an issue with the up-down shift switch circuit. This switch is responsible for sending shift commands in manual mode for vehicles equipped with paddle shifters or manual shift mode in automatic transmissions. Common symptoms of P0826. Manual shift mode not working, transmission stays in one gear in limp mode, hard or delayed shifting in automatic mode. Check engine light turns on, and gear position not displayed properly on the dashboard. If you're experiencing these problems, let's find out where the key sensors are located. To fix P0826, you need to check these components. Up-down shift switch located in the gear shifter assembly, paddle shifters if equipped, or steering column. This component sends manual shift commands to the ECU when you push the shift buttons. Transmission control module is mounted on the transmission housing or inside the engine bay near the battery. It controls transmission shifts based on input from the shift switch. Gear position sensor, also called PRNDL sensor, is located on the side of the transmission near the shift linkage. It detects gear position and ensures smooth shifting. Wiring harness and connectors run from the shift switch to the ECU and TCM, transferring electrical signals for shift commands. Fuse and relay for shift circuit are located in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood, providing power to the shift switch and preventing circuit failure. Common causes of P0826, faulty up-down shift switch, buttons or paddle shifters may be worn out, damaged or loose wiring can block shift signals. Defective transmission control module can fail to recognize manual shift inputs. Malfunctioning gear position, sensor or blown fuse can cut power to the shift circuit. How to fix P0826? Step 1. Test the up-down shift switch using a multimeter to check for continuity and response. Step 2. Inspect the gear shifter assembly and paddle shifters, ensuring smooth movement and proper engagement. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors for broken or corroded wires. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. Other transmission-related codes may indicate deeper issues. Step 5. Test the gear position sensor to ensure correct gear selection reading. Step 6. Replace the fuse or relay if needed. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0826 code and check if the transmission shifts properly. The P0826 code can be frustrating, but with the right diagnosis, checking the shift switch, wiring, gear position sensor, and TCM, you can fix it and restore your manual shift mode. Watch these related videos next: P0518, idle air control circuit intermittent, and P0519, idle air control system performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.